The European Commission has approved a mid-term loan of €1 billion for Ukraine and an additional €610 in microfinancial aid for a country currently suffering from economic meltdown. The European Commission has also removed customs duty for Ukrainian goods. A rapidly worsening balance of payments and weak fiscal situation in the wake of the last developments in Ukraine pushed the EU to consider a new pact. The loan is aimed at helping cover Ukraine's again balance of payments and to stabilize its currency, which slumped to its lowest level ever.
First tranche is €100 million from the existing MFA and €500 million from the new MFA, which has been proposed today. This 100 plus €500 million should be ready to be disbursed right after an agreement on an IMF program for Ukraine has been concluded.
The US government has also signed a $1 billion agreement with Ukraine to fill rents and gaps yesterday. But experts warn it's important that those money do not sink in the pockets of politicians. Current ministers who took over their posts 5 weeks ago say Kiev has fulfilled all conditions to receive the first portion of IMF €14 billion aid package and it's ready to move forward. Officials say the first tranche, which will not be used to repay Ukraine's $2.2 billion debt to Russia. Economists warn that Ukraine is now facing its most serious political and consequently economic crisis. However, many believe the government's economic policies over the last 20 years are to blame for the meltdown. It will come as part of the €11 billion helping hand proposed by the European Commission on March 5th and will be implemented parallel to the existing €610 million program, which has been available since 2010 but has not yet been released. In real terms, any additional financial aid to Ukraine from international lenders automatically increases the country's debt. Under the terms of Russia-Ukraine deal signed in December, Ukraine's debt shouldn't exceed 60% of the GDP. When the debt burden goes above the set limit, Russia has the right to demand immediate repayment of the $3 billion tranche it gave to Ukraine in the end of last year. For Africa TV, I am Salim A.